Welcome to Lydia's Cooking Lab. Today I'm going to be making with Issy an ancient Egyptian royal dish. What is the dish called, Issy?
It's called Molokhia. Mom, did you know it was believed to have curative powers and it was served to the pharaohs and the nobility?
Wow! So Issy's harvesting the jute leaves for us right now. So Issy, how long did it take to grow?
It took 6 weeks from seeds.
Nice. So now Issy is washing it and gonna put it out to dry. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be making it with shrimp. So I'm gonna make the broth out of the shrimp peel, onion, garlic, half tablespoon of cumin, salt, paprika, and 2 cups of water.
Mom, my leaves are dry and ready to chop.
You did a wonderful job chopping this, Issy.
Thanks, Mommy.
Okay, so I think it's ready. We have about 400 grams of the Molokhia leaves chopped finely. And we're gonna take 1 cup of the shrimp broth. We're gonna slowly and gradually add it. So I think it needs a little bit more broth. So I'm gonna gradually add some. And now we're gonna add our favorite part. What is
Pink shrimp.
Yes, they're wild bay shrimp. They're very delicious. I think that it's still a little bit thick, so we can add a little bit more broth. You see, what's the secret to this dish?
The Molokhia sai.
So to do the sai, we need some minced garlic. I did like 3 cloves, and avocado oil with some ground coriander seeds. We're sauteing them. Issy, go for it. Sugar, 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 sugar.
It's gonna be sweet and yummy.
Now we're gonna let it simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes, and it's ready. So Issy, what did you think of this experience?
I thought it was a fun experience, except it took a really long time comparing to the short version.
How about the taste?
Amazing.
Amazing. So what was amazing about the taste compared to doing it from frozen?
For some reason, I feel like it's chopped more than the frozen one, and it feels more fresh.
So Avi's all about efficiency, so she's going to share with us the other version.
So that was the traditional long version of Molokhia, but we eat it so much, we modified it to a 3-minute version. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to a pot. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, add 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seed, saute till golden brown. Then add 1 pack of frozen Molokhia, 1 cup of shrimp broth with a cup of frozen pink shrimp. Let it simmer. That's the consistency we want. It's ready! Serve with white rice. Now you have a delicious, healthy meal in just 3 minutes that everyone loves and known as food of kings.